Welcome back. State government will now consider proposal of Inland Waterways Authority of making national waterways in Goa. If state government accepts this proposal, then large navigable routes in Mandovi, Zuari and Kumbarjua Canal will come under National Waterways project. Industry feels this project will boost cargo transport in Goa.
5 major rivers in Bihar, Andhra Pradesh, West Bengal, Kerala and Northeast India have national waterways. Inland Waterways Authority of India maintains necessary infrastructure for inland water transport. In Goa, inland waterways transport takes place mainly in Mandovi and Zuari rivers. On Friday, Inland Waterways Authority of India and state government officials held a meeting. There would be a round of talks on this issue.
Now what happened is after the Captain of Ports prepares his report, submits it to the Chief Secretary, he will in turn present it to the Chief Minister, and then probably one more meeting may be called, and he will explain, and all the stakeholders also will be invited to explain the stand, because the stakeholders are the Goa barge owners, the Mineral Ore Exporters Association, and others also stakeholders like the Tourism Department, the fishing people, all will be called.
Industry is optimistic about the proposal. Industry feels it will boost state's economy.
Well, it will infect the Goan economy because this will improve the drafts. The National Waterways, Inland Waterways Authority will build up the bunds wherever they are broken. And also, you see what happened when they'll increase the drafts, more cargo will move. There will be tourism also. They will build up the bunds to help the tourism also department to have their vessels coming in.
A senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kandolkar, with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi.
In a thrilling I-League football match, Musli Power Churchill brothers went down to Kingfisher East Bengal by 2-3. It was a fantastic performance from East Bengal striker Yakubu Yusuf, who scored his 100th goal in the National Football League. The match was played at the Salt Lake Stadium in Kolkata on Friday.
Defending champions Churchill brothers went into the match without their talismanic striker Odafa Okoli after the Nigerian picked up 2 yellow cards recently. On the other hand, East Bengal were boosted with a side that had star strikers Baichung Bhutia and Yakubu Yusuf in their front line. The clash proved to be a cracker of a match wherein the teams were locked 2 goals each at halftime. In the 9th minute, East Bengal skipper Syed Rahim Nabi deflected the ball into his own nets to give Churchill the lead against the run of play. Churchill skipper Kalu Ogba created the problem there, resulting in a goal and celebrating for the same. 2 minutes later, East Bengal frontman Yakubu slashed home the equalizer after being set up by India captain Baichung Bhutia. Churchill's impressive midfielder R. Vashum made it 2-1 for the Goan side in the 12th minute, but Yakubu again got onto the score sheet in the 39th minute. The Ghanaian striker marked his 100 goals achievement with this spectacular header to Alvito Dicuna's cross. In the second half, the home side surged ahead in the 54th minute. This time it was Baichung who did the necessary damage. Eventually, that goal proved to be the match winner for East Bengal, who was successful in denying Churchill to move on to the top of the I-League table. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Goa College of Arts organized Kala Mahotsav. Young budding artists exhibited their talents at Kala Mahotsav. Students displayed their art through paintings and clay art. Have a look at this festival of creativity as we take your leave. Take care and keep watching Prudent Media. you.